Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue of laptop which gets turned off when connected to charger. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards setting. So right click on the Windows icon in taskbar or go to settings, or simply click Window plus I to open directly the setting application. After that, in the settings, go to system from your left hand side menu. Then after, go to power and battery. In power and battery setting, for power mode, choose either best power efficiency or best performance. After that, close the settings application. Then again right click on the Windows icon in your taskbar. Now from the menu, head towards device manager of your device. Then after, in device manager, go to display adapters. Tap and click on the destroyed one, or if it is not working, tap and click on it. Go to drivers. You can see the status as it is working properly. Go to driver, update the driver, and automatically search the driver for availability. Then after, if it does not work, simply click on disable device. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.